First step, wrap sealing tape around the angle valve. Second step, put on the decorative cover. Third step, tighten the angle valve to the threaded interface on the wall. We strongly recommend using our compatible angle valve. Applicable situation, the outer diameter of the water pipe at home is 0.6 inches. You can first measure the diameter of the water pipe at home to confirm that it is approximately 0.6 inches, where the circumference is 2 inches. 1. Remove the old angle valve. 2. Install the nut. 3. Install copper rings. 4. Insert the water pipe into the angle valve to the bottom. 5. Use a wrench to tighten the nut, as it is a compression nut that needs to be tightened. 6. Install the toilet's inlet pipe. Some customers cannot remove their existing angle valve and water pipes due to constraints. In this case, a 7/8 threaded fitting can help complete the installation of the new smart toilet. Important, keep the gasket inside the 7/8 threaded fitting, as it prevents water leaks. Remove the included water pipe from the toilet. Install the 7/8 threaded fitting. Connect the existing water pipe to the 7/8 threaded fitting. Installation is complete. Mark the position and drill the hole. L bracket. 2 screws. Attach the screw to the L bracket. Slide the whole unit into the flange until it fits securely. Flange assembly installation is finished. Align the base hole with the L bracket and gently lower it straight down into position. Install the end cap and secure the toilet with a screw. Repeat on the other side. Installation complete. Mark the position and drill the hole. Attach the wax ring onto the toilet's bottom. Push down hard to make it secure. Seal it and fix in place with glue. Place the foam tablets into the bottle. Two PCS tablets last about 200 flushes around 1 month. Insert the foam tube into the bottle and tighten the cap. No water needed. Place the bottle in a convenient location finished.